Welcome back. In this video, we'll cover entering data on SmartMove Cloud. First, launch your browser and log in. Once you've logged in, let's start off by adding a subject. It's pretty straightforward, but let's go through it step by step anyway. First, click the Add Subject button in the upper left part of the screen. The Add Subject dialog box will pop up, and you can enter the information for the new subject here. Fill the corresponding fields and click OK. Upon clicking OK, the new subject will be added to your database. Don't worry if you've made a mistake. Subject information is modifiable. For educational purposes, let's modify the subject information for the subject we just added by clicking the Modify Subject button. Make sure the correct subject is highlighted. When you click the button, the Modify Subject dialog box will appear, and we can make the appropriate changes. In this instance, let's say I misspelled John's name and need to edit it. Make the needed change or changes and click OK. Once you've clicked the button, the modifications will appear in your database. In the event that you need to delete a subject, make sure the correct person is selected and click the Delete Subject button. Upon clicking the button, a confirmation window will appear, showing you the subject ID, the name, and how many audiograms you will be deleting by deleting this particular subject. Once you have verified that this is the subject you would like to delete, go ahead and click Yes. When you click Yes, the subject will be deleted from your database. Subject data isn't the only thing you can enter on SmartMove Cloud. In the second half of this tutorial, we're going to go over entering audiometric data. Let's start by adding an audiogram. Select the subject you would like to add an audiogram for, and then click the Add Audiogram button from the top menu ribbon. Once you click the button, the Add Audiogram dialog box will appear. Enter your data in the appropriate fields, and for the purpose of this exercise, let's enter decibel values for 0.5 to 6K for both left and right ears. When you're done, click OK, and just like with subjects, don't worry if you've made a mistake. Audiograms are modifiable. In fact, let's modify the audiogram we just added. Double-check that the audiogram we want to modify is selected, and then click Modify Audiogram. The Modify Audiogram dialog box will appear. For this exercise, let's add values to the 8K threshold. Once you've done that, click OK, and the changes will be saved. Just as it was for subjects, you can also delete audiograms. To try this, let's delete the audiogram we just modified. Make sure the correct audiogram is selected and then click the Delete Audiogram button. Once you click the button, the Delete Audiogram window appears, showing you the test date and time and the name of the subject. Once you have verified that this is the audiogram you'd like to delete, click Yes, and the changes will be reflected in your database. That's all for now. Be sure to watch the next video in this series, Data Transfer with the Smart Tone.